If you're running a business and promoting that business online and you're not using Pinterest for your business, then I must say that you're leaving too much money on the table, because Pinterest is the strongest platform out there to get free traffic for your business and get free customers that can pay you month after month. So when on one side you are paying too much money to advertise your business on Facebook, Google Ads, or even on TikTok, then why not try Pinterest? Because it will give you 2x results than all those advertising platforms, and the good thing about that is it's 100% free. You just need to learn this process step by step, like how it works. And when you start implementing all those strategies, then you can just start seeing great results even after 2 weeks. So before getting started, let me just give you a quick introduction about Pinterest, like what Pinterest is. So Pinterest is a search engine just like Google, and it is the third largest search engine in the world in today's date, and it is actually having a quality audience for your business, no matter what your business is. If you're doing a real estate business, if you're a blogger, if you're a YouTuber, if you're selling some services like home and furniture and DIY, or if you're selling some stuff, then you can use Pinterest for any business. And you know what? How Pinterest is different from other platforms, because Pinterest is a search engine, and in other search engine, people go there and search for their query, search for their problem, and against that search, they get the result. They get some blogs to read, they get some video to watch, so they can get the answer of their problem or their question. But on Pinterest, when they search for anything, and against that search, they don't get any text, but they get some images which can actually explain the problem of their solution. So as you know that image attracts more than the text, so in today's date, Pinterest is actually having a more data about their audience than some other good websites. So if the Pinterest is a good search engine, people are actually coming there to search for their problem, and Pinterest actually know that what they want. So they can connect all of those people who are actually looking for your service or your product or your business, and connect those people with you so they can do business with you and you can earn a lot of money. So if you want to know that how this all process will work, then watch this video completely till the end, step by step, without skipping any part, because in this video I'm going to sharing with you some useful tips that will surely help you to grow your business. And I must say, if after watching this video you implement all of that strategy to your business, then after 1 month you will come back in my comment box and share your growth with me. So let's see how we can learn this and how we can implement that. But before getting started, I'm Uzair, and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels, and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below, so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now. So first of all, let's discuss why Pinterest. Like why Pinterest is too much important for you. So the number one reason I've already told you is Pinterest is 100% free. It don't require your money, but it only requires you to post regularly about your product or your services. So now the question number 2 is why Pinterest? I have just opened the audience insight page of Pinterest, and here I can see that how much audience Pinterest is having. You can see that Pinterest is openly give you the data about their audience. Like you can see that the 20% of Pinterest audience are aged between 18 years to 24 years, and 50% of Pinterest audience are aged between 25 to 34 years. And you can see the rest. And here in gender, you can see that 67% are female and 24% are male. And if you go down, you can see that Pinterest is actually showing you the devices. Like 41% of Pinterest user are Android user, 34% are iPhone user, and the other are tablet, iPad, and web user. So when you get the detailed insight of that data, so you can see that how much quality traffic this website is. Like you can see that this website is having the young generation, 67% female, and here you can actually see the interest. Like if we see about the category, the people having interest in art are 85%, the people having interest in entertainment are 81%, and people are having interest in home decoration are 77%. So if you're selling furniture, if you're selling home decoration products, or if you're giving any service for home decoration, then you can see that there are actually audience present on Pinterest who are looking to do business with you. If you find that what problem people are having and what people are actually searching on Pinterest, and if you can just give them the answer of their problem on Pinterest, so when they search, they will see your pin and they can actually contact you and do business with you. So that will be a win-win situation for you. So here are some insights about the Pinterest. So now you got the answer of your second question, like why Pinterest? It's because it's having a super quality audience which actually you need. So now the question number 3 is how you can actually promote that and how actually other people are using Pinterest for their business. So let's just go on Pinterest and search for any query to see how people are using it. So you can see that I am on Pinterest.com right now, and on Pinterest search engine I have just searched a random keyword like home wall decoration because I need some ideas to decorate my home wall, and for that I'm actually willing to pay someone to come here or to send me the product so I can just decorate my wall. So after searching that keyword, I can see many of the pins here. You can see that all of these images are pins, and many different creators or many different Pinterest business account owner have posted that pin. And you can see that when I scroll down and I see any of the pin related to my search, you can see that, let's suppose this one. So I can just open that pin. So you can see that this is a cool pin, and here on the right side I can see the title of that pin and a description. So the title says that top 10 recent customer home. So here's a link of the website. So when I click on the website, so you can see that I am actually landing on their website from the Pinterest. So on Pinterest, they basically market about their website. So when some people search on Pinterest for their problem or for their query, so they can just find their pin, and from their pin, they can just land on their website. So on this page, when I scroll down, I can see many of the ideas for the home decoration. And from here, I can actually contact them and I can actually purchase products from them. So I can just decorate my wall as well. You can see that, for example, if I want this giraffe lamp for my wall, so under that image, I can see a link featuring our giraffe table lamp. So if I click on that, so you can see that I have landed on the page where I can purchase that giraffe lamp, and that giraffe lamp is selling for £145. So as you can see that from the Pinterest pin, I just landed on their blog, and from their blog, I just landed on their product page where they are actually selling. So just imagine it's only from one pin. For example, if in one day 200 or 300 people visit their pin, and from that people 10 or 20 people purchase their products, so how much money they are earning from the free traffic they are getting from Pinterest. So this is only one example. I can just show you a ton of examples of many of the businesses out there, like how they are posting daily free pins on their Pinterest page, and they are getting actually the good traffic, which are the exact audience they want to purchase their product. So people go on Pinterest, search for their problem and find a solution of their problem, and give the business to those people who are actually using Pinterest for their businesses. So this is only one example. If I just go on Pinterest again and I search for any other example like bathroom decor ideas, so here you can see that I can find many of the pins like stunning bathroom IKEA hacks. So I think this is like a blog, and when I click on this one, I can see this blog, and after reading this blog, I might ended up purchasing any of the product which they are explaining in their blog, because I am the person who have actually searched for a bathroom decoration idea because I want something to decorate my bathroom. And when I find a good ideas from that blog, so I might ended up purchasing any of the product which I like for my bathroom. So that's how they are marketing their business free on Pinterest and getting too much money. So now if you are also thinking to start implementing this on your business as well, so you can just do it for free. You only have to go to my Pinterest playlist on YouTube. I'll put the link of that in the description of this video. So here you can just learn Pinterest free of course. You can see that here I'm actually having many videos related to Pinterest, which almost covering each and every topic, like how you can create your Pinterest account, how you can create stunning pins, how you can find keywords to rank, how you can find low competitive keyword, and how you can actually rank all of your pin on page number 1 of Pinterest. So whenever people search, they can find your pin and they can just land on your website or on your business page, and you can do some business with them. You can just put your WhatsApp contact or email contact on your blog, so they can just contact you, and you can just build your email list. And believe me, Pinterest is just like a gold mine, because I am also getting many leads from there. I am already having a paying customer, like actually a lot of paying customer, which I got from Pinterest. So it's super easy, super free. You just need to learn this. Like I don't think so this playlist will be more than 2 hours. So if you invest 2 hours of your life in watching this playlist and start implementing all those strategies to your business, then you must start seeing results after 2 weeks or after 1 month. So go there, implement that strategy, and when you start getting good leads, good traffic and good sales, don't forget to come back here and tell your story in the comment box below. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you really found my content informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in the future. And if you have any question regarding this video or any other topic regarding e-commerce, then you can just chat with me anytime from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.